There we go. I got what to believe is a G504 southbound on track 2. Train had to stop between South Dam City and Wilson, NS. Lost his EOT, had to push the button on it, and he's on his way now. He's on the move, and this train pulling hard coming up through downtown Wilson. Here we go. Sound good. LA style. There you have it, YouTube. These were empties off in the Nash County, which is Carolina Coastal now. What this was. Pulling back south, guess gonna run to Hamlet, going out west. Out.